What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Fartcoin, possibly the next big meme coin for this cycle. Every cycle has a meme coin that goes absolutely nuts, and right now it's kind of looking like Fartcoin is going to be that coin. We're up 15.1% at $1.47, $1.4 billion market cap, 999 million out of 1 billion coins in circulation. We have an all-time high of 5 months ago. We're only down 40% from that all-time high. All-time low was 7 months ago. If you would have bought 7 months ago, you'd be up 7x, actually 73x on your investment. That's crazy. Available on the following markets: BitGet, Gate, HTX, DigiFinex, KuCoin, 15 different pages of exchanges. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Fartcoin. All right, everybody, let's get in the Fartcoin in the day chart. This is what we had drawn last time we charted it, which I don't even remember when. We drew from the all-time high to the all-time low, and if we look at that, we actually bounced off the 786 perfectly. We actually bounced off it several different times, going all the way back to April of 2025. So we have not broken above our May 24th all-time high, but we're gearing up for it right now. Indicators are looking juiced up as well. After a lengthy bearish movement here on the MACD, we did cross over bullish, and we had a huge God candle spawn in there for Fartcoin. We have a ton of room that we can run to the upside here on the RSI as well. We've really only been overbought on this once, and that was back when we initially, when the coin initially came out. So we do have a lot of room that we can run. For example, from here, we're at 58. We could run all the way up to 90, which is this prior high, which would increase this price dramatically and send us to new all-time high prices. WTX is looking solid right down here as well, starting to tail back up after a nice bottom. And the big one is the stock RSI. Stock RSI is a little high right now. I am going to be honest with you guys. That's the one thing that's kind of concerning right now, but it is what it is. If we draw a horizontal line where it's at right now, that's a normal area in which we topped out at. The part that is kind of good for us is the orange is lagging behind it quite a bit. So the blue could be stagnant for a while and move sideways, similar to back here, how we just move sideways for a bit and then let that orange catch up, which would in turn continue the price to the upside. So overall for Fartcoin, I think we're easily going to break out of here and work our way back up to our all-time high price of around 276. And that is where we're going to really have to assess the situation, because that's the prior all-time high. It's a very psychological support and resistance area. Now, if we draw the micro fib from the prior high here to the most recent low, what we can see on the fib levels is we're currently getting rejected off that 786 at about $1.50. I want to say $1.56, $1.50. So that's something we really have to focus on overtaking here in the short term. We get above that $1.55-ish area, that's when we're going to start seeing some very bullish movement to the upside, which would in turn put Fartcoin back at its all-time high price. So as long as we can continue the momentum that we're gaining right now and the indicators continue looking solid like they do, I'd be keeping an eye on $1.55. If Fartcoin get over $1.55, then I would expect it to run back to its all-time high price and then reassess the situation at that point. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.